In this video, we'll be covering converting fractions to decimals, which involves inconvenient denominators. So in the other video, we have figured out how we can be able to convert from numbers, any number over 10, any number over 100, and so forth. For this video, we'll be covering inconvenient denominators and how to convert from fractions to decimals. So such questions that may arise would look something like this. Our goal is to change 1/4 as a decimal. And there is a template that will allow us to see how we can be able to convert from 1/4 as a decimal. The top of the fractions considers a numerator and a numerator. Will be going in the inside of the division. The 4 is considered as a denominator, and the denominator will be going on the outside of the division. So what this will look like on the template will be this. 4 can go into 1 a certain number of times, so let's start working out the long division. 4 can go into 1 0 times. 0 times 4 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. Up to this point, even though there is a little bit of a restriction, we can apply helping zeros. So I'm going to apply helping 0. And when I do that, I need to include a decimal, so let's push it up on the top as well. Let's bring the 0 down now. And let's continue with the division process. 4 can go into 10 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8. Subtract 10 with 8, which gives us to 2. Now, when it comes to decimals, our goal is to make sure that we don't have a remainder on the division problem. So let's continue with the helping zeros. Put a helping 0 here, bring it down. Now the question we need to ask is, how many times 4 can fit into 20? So that's 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. So that's 5 times. 5 times 4 is 20, and 20 minus 20 is 0. So thankfully, we have no remainder. So we have successfully found the decimal version of 1/4. 1/4 as a decimal is 0.25, which is the top of the division problem.